Hey guys, I'm Pete with Rattan Patio and Fireplace Shop, and I want to talk about a 34 DVL from Lopi. So this is a direct vent insert. It goes inside of an existing fireplace. Size-wise, it's pretty large. You're going to need a front opening width of 32.5 inches, a depth of 15.5 inches, and a height of 24 5/8. So if you have that, good odds this is going to fit. This is a supplemental heater. It's going to put off a lot of heat. BTU wise, it's about 39,000 BTUs, which is going to heat anywhere from like 15 to 1,800 square feet if it were one big open space. This unit comes with a remote control that controls just about everything. I can turn it on, turn it off. I can turn the flame up or down. I can turn ember lights on or off, blower on or off, accent light on or off, up or down. All from the remote control. So if I wanted to really push out a very low amount of heat and have a little flickering flame, but not a ton of heat, I can turn that back burner off if I wanted to, or I can turn it back on and have a nice big fire and push out a ton of heat. Same thing with the ember lights on the bottom of the unit. So on or off. Then I can also change just flame height while it's up. So I just turned it down to setting 2, which is probably about 20% or so of normal. So you have a bunch of different features. You never have a reason to reach into this fireplace and turn a knob or light a pilot light or anything like that. Once you put this in, it's all done from the remote control. The remote control also can be used as a thermostat. So you could set a temperature on the remote. This is what's sensing the temperature. So if you put it on the counter or the coffee table, wherever you want, you have about a 40-foot operating range. Once it senses that it's at your desired temp, it will turn the fireplace off. There's different log sets you can choose. So you can get a traditional log set, which is what's in the fireplace now. You can also get an oak log set, a birch log set, and then a driftwood log set. So you can choose which log set you want. There's also different brick liners, whether you want black glass, traditional brick, herringbone brick, ledge stone. There's a bunch of different options there. And then there's also a bunch of different options for face plates. So there's about 7 or 8 different options for face plates. That's going to really help change the look of the unit. When it comes to panel, this is what's there to cover the existing opening of your fireplace. So when you put this in, you're not going to see any of your existing fireplace. This is going to overlap the entire opening. So it really does help change the look. Also, when you put this in, there's 2 aluminum liners that go up your existing chimney. So it's not going to affect indoor air quality whatsoever. It's just going to give you a lot of heat and help stop with any draft that was coming in or any hot air that was leaving. So direct vent inserts are really good options for somebody who wants to convert to gas, who wants to have a safe fire in their house, and who wants ease of operation. You hit the button, then the fire's out. And if you're cold, you hit the button and the fire turns back on. So pretty easy. Lots of ways to dress it up and design it how you want. And it fits in a lot of fireplaces. So again, I'm Pete, Rattan Patio and Fireplace Shop. Give us a ring if you have any questions.